Today we're in Oconto, Wisconsin, the Oconto River. Shake a Burger right behind us here. We're coming back out here to clean up. Let's get it. Huh. A piece of a toilet. Pretty sure. In my suit. Oh, that's not good. You could at least went in the toilet, not in the river.
Throw it in.
Careful.
Why would someone throw a toilet in the river?
Not sure. Oh, look at that. Nice platter. Maybe. Some could be runoff from the roads. Don't breathe it in. You found a horseshoe?
3 horseshoes and a shovel.
What? A Nash hubcap. Coca-Cola bottle from Miami, Florida.
I filled that in a pair.
I don't know. Oh,
What's that?
got a couple more things.
Yeah, a flashlight, I think.
I don't think that's a flashlight, honey.
It's not a tampon.
That is a flashlight, you're right.
I swear I swallowed sewer water over there. Yeah, like straight down.
Yeah, it's not good.
No,
You're not supposed to be swallowing any of this water.
Lower.
Oh, yeah, a shot glass. Cool. Half pint. Something.
Get back to work.
Pulling up all kinds of metal stuff, aren't you? Yeah. Hey, Carl. Oh, a candlestick. Piece of a candlestick. I got a tire. Yeah, bad boy.
What does that mean?
Oh, Royal Crown Cola. A retractable clothesline, I think. You ready to move on down the river? Yeah. That's a big horseshoe right there. And this one's super cool. It's got like a green stuff in there. I thought it was a cork, but it's just a rock. Is it gonna happen? Yep. All right, it says nothing on it, but it's a cool bottle. Oh yeah. Let's go. Throwing scooters here. That's not cool. There's an airplane flying up there. Yeah. DJ McDougal, Oconto, Wisconsin. Sweet. Arbutus vehicle. What's this round thing now?
Check that out. This is my coolest find today.
Wow.
And guess what? Not a single chip.
Good dive.
It was great to be back in Oconto, Wisconsin and clean up the Oconto River.